Like a bull chasing the matadors, a man left to his own schemes. Everybody needs someone beside him, shining like a lighthouse from the sea. Brother, let me be your shelter, never leave you all alone. I can be the one you call when you're low.
Talking like we used to do. It was always me and you, shaping up and shipping out. Check me in and check me out. Do you like walking in the rain? When you think of love, do you think of pain? You can tell me what you see, I will choose what I believe. Hold on, darling. This body is yours, this body is yours and mine. Well, hold on, my darling. This mess was yours, now your mess is mine. Walking round at 8 a.m. Got 2 hours before.
Sometimes I'm under starlit sky, but I'm feeling more like dirt. How do I forget so fast who you are and what that's worth? 'Cause there's an evidence of you in every corner of this life. So why do I still try to prove that I don't deserve your time? 'Cause I am yours, and you will always be mine. It seems like madness, I'm invited to the table by your side. 'Cause I am yours, and you will always be mine. I'm a man whose one ambition is to dance in my divine. 'Cause I am yours, and you are. I chased you into the light. Yeah, I stayed there to see myself pure. All the ashes and scars, they pale in comparison to yours. There were footprints the size of the universe. There were fortunes that no one could earn. So I chased you farther still, and I hope that I never return. From the river's mouth to the mountain peak, through the great divide and the valley deep, I need you to carry me. Carry me, carry me, I'm on my way, but I'm in too deep. I need you to carry me. You were calling me into the deep, into waters that no map could find. You were calling darkness finds rest in your light. I found a fortress where I could surrender.
Shuri, I have been blessed to call you my girlfriend, my best friend, my fiance, and today I'm truly grateful and super excited to call you my loving wife. From day one, you caught my eye and I fell completely in love with you. Our love for each other is heaven sent, so today I vow to cherish you, care for you, protect you, respect you, and always be there for you, during the good times and the bad times. I pray that God will bless our union until death do us part. I will forever and always love you.
Dear Adi, everyone knows I'm a sucker for a romance story, and oh how I love our story. You truly gave me that young love that I wish everyone can experience. The thing I admire about you most is that you embody the true definition of love in 1 Corinthians 13. You are patient, you are kind, you do not envy, you do not boast, you are not proud, you are not rude, you are not self-seeking. I know I tend to live in my own fantasy of love and happily ever after, but I also know we are going to have bad days and sad days, and days that test our relationship. But those are the days that I want you to feel the absolute weight of my love for you. I promise to love you more tomorrow than I do today, for you are my person, always and forever.
Running through the heat, heartbeat, you shine like silver in the sunlight. You light up my cold heart. It feels right in the sun. We're running round and round like nothing else could matter in our lives. But wait, the sun will stop shining soon, and you'll be dark in my life. Yeah, you'll be gone. It's as simple as a change of heart. I'm not gonna think about the future. Love like this won't last forever. I know that a love like this won't last forever, but I don't really mind. I don't really mind at all. Slipping through the night, love, it goes dark, but you don't mind. Hiding in the back streets, yeah, you'll never notice me. All that I was thinking about was cleaning up my conscience. Lost in the memory as it shakes up the corners of my heart. Was it my mistake? Or maybe it was just as simple as a change in your heart. Just as simple as a change of heart. I know now a love like this won't last forever. I know that a love like this won't last forever, but I know that a love like this won't last forever. I know that a love